Hello everyone, this is Darshita Busa and I would like to share with you all the beautiful experience that I had with Siddhi. I was introduced to her through a very dear friend Sejal. She has already been learning many modalities with her and she has done tremendous changes in her life. So there was a numerology workshop and Sejal asked me to attend that. Numerology had always been my interest. I was always looking forward to find a very good mentor who would teach me and give me a complete insight all about numbers. So I had a very good experience with Siddhi. The amount of patience she has while dealing with number of questions that are thrown at her. The complete detailing of everything in just one session we had was very, very beautiful. After that, I got a chance to attend her basic workshop on angels. It was on 15th and 16th July. I was quite excited because by now I was completely impressed by the way Siddhi takes her class. She attends her students. But on that very day, my mother-in-law had started with the severe abdominal pain. She was not keeping well for quite some time, but on 15th it was worst. I was very disturbed. Soon I started praying angels. I told them that, I look forward to know you, to experience your presence in my life. But I just cannot do with this disturbance. I want my mother-in-law to be well very soon that I can attend my workshop with complete ease in my mind. Soon after my prayers, I saw her pain subsiding, and by noon when I had my class, she was completely alright with a smile on her face. After that, I had started with my daily prayers and my meditation. But I was somehow not experiencing the kind of messages and some signs that I wanted, to feel their presence. So it was like on 17th, 2 days after my class, I had been continuously praying Archangel Metatron and my guardian angel, and I was completely after them and asking them to show me some kind of messages, to show me some kind of symbols to make me have that gut feeling that okay, they are there for me, they are having their presence in my life. On Saturday, I saw a beautiful visual. It was a mesmerizing beauty, that I would say. When I remembered and prayed Siddhi first, because she's my mentor, she introduced me to my angels, and then I invoked Archangel Metatron and my guardian angels. I saw number of butterflies outside my windows. They were swirling continuously for more than 2 hours. I saw a lot of white feathers. I've been staying in my this society for more than 10 years. Hardly ever I must have noticed a butterfly. They are very colorful and beautiful beings which never goes unnoticed. But that day was, I feel a miracle. I feel angels were there to bless me, to make me assure that yes, they are there with me. It was a very capturing moment. Soon after that, I saw the honeybee on my window. All this made me convinced completely that yes, my angels are there. I was so thankful to Siddhi for this beautiful blessing. So it's not been even a week and already I have seen some of my wishes that I manifest have started coming true. I am very thankful to my friend Sejal, and I am very, very thankful to Siddhi for this beautiful learning. Moreover, I am very happy with her method, with every detail in which she teaches. She also has all her videos recorded. It helps me a lot for my after studies. very few would be doing this kind of selfless devotion for their work towards their students. So I'm looking forward to learning many more things with her, and she is in fact a very beautiful person, and I'm so very happy to get connected with her.